everybody, welcome back to Titan Vans. I'm Matt, and we got a brand new custom rig that we're rolling out this week, and we're excited to show you this van. So come check out what we got going on. You can see right away Sportsmobile pop top on top, which accommodates sleeping for two. Down below, we installed some swivel seats for both passenger and driver. We also have a removable marine pedestal that functions in here as well as in the back, where we created both a sleeping and kind of a dinette area that we'll show you here in a minute. And then you can see two removable three-person bench seats here in the front. So both Mercedes OEM seats, we kind of rearranged them in the floor plan, but they're all removable pretty quickly with these two levers. Pop out, it can get you a lot of space back, so you can turn this into a 5-person passenger van, or as it sits right now, 8 passengers with DOT approved seating. So overall, kind of a simple build for us, but does what it's intended to really well. Again, this is a custom design that was tailored towards this client's needs of carrying their 3 kids. It's a daily driver as well as kind of a weekend warrior, but not so much intended for full-time living. So let's check around the back, and we'll show you kind of the secondary sleeping area. That is, you can sleep 2 adults, but kind of designed more so for children. So you see right away, we created 2 wheel well box outs here on the side. We have some logistical track down into the floor to help with cargo control. And then we have our platform system on the top. So this is a 4-piece mattress system. We have the 2 on the sides and then the 2 central pieces. So with this design, we designed a kind of a 2-piece platform that is removable. And so here, if you kind of want to get a close-up on this, we have these called indexing plungers, or kind of little set pins. So to remove the bed, simply twist each one of these guys. You do a little quarter twist, and it'll kind of keep those indentations in, and then simply lift it right out. So you can see here is how these guys kind of work. So they clip right in into the steel side brackets there. So I'll set this off to the side. And then we have our 2-piece mattress. And then the last one back here. So same as that first platform. So simply release all the clips and then just lift it right out. So you can see very quickly, gets a lot of space back. So if you need to haul something a little bit bigger, if you didn't need the second sleeping tier, you could pop this out. You can stow them in the front. You could also slide them in here and strap them right down to the floor, get them out of the way. You'll notice here on the floor as well, we have another marine pedestal mount, so we can actually pull that table from the front there, where it was staged, move it back here, and actually create a really nice eating area here in the back for 6 people pretty comfortably. So you can have kind of the lunch set up back here, in and out of the van to the back. If you pull that second row of bench seats, gives you really nice flow throughout the van, both through the front and through the rear. Going to slide up underneath here and kind of show you the Sportsmobile pop top. So it has a 2-piece platform system, kind of similar to what we have there. So here's the little first section, and then the second section is actually tethered to the top. So it has some little retention straps that allow the platform to be stowed up on top of the pop top, so you can walk around in here. Then you can drop that down and then use it as your second sleeping option up top. You can also leave the pop top down and then just sleep down below as well. There's only 1 or 2 people using the rig, so lots of versatility. All in all, pretty simple build for us. We installed some windows in the side for ventilation in the rear, refinished all the flooring. So very functional, simple, but in our minds, kind of an elegant, sleek design that has a lot of different functionality and kind of continues on with our modular look and feel that we kind of incorporate in all of our builds. So stay tuned for more. Leave us some questions if you want to know more about some of the products that we used here. And as always, you can check us out, titanvans.com. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. And we appreciate you guys checking us out. So see you next time.